Okay. So first case where we have discussed where the true length is given with some inclination. Now here basically the apparent length is given to you with some inclination. Okay. So in the apparent length, basically what is that? Basically the both the end will going to align with the same projected line. Here you will see both the point in the same line. Here also the both the point in a same line. Okay, but that is not in the case of true length. In the apparent length case, both the points are there in the same line. Apparent length की केस में दोनों पॉइंट्स जो होते हैं एंड के वो एक ही प्रोजेक्टेड लाइन में होते हैं. क्लियर? Now this is the things is given to you. Now you have to find out the true length from this. So for that again we are going to draw the reference line from each point. So you can on and off snap as per your need by using the F9 press key. So this we have drawn. Now from this end, okay. Similarly in the below side of reference line. Okay. So something you have drawn like this. Now you have to identify the true length. Before that, we can do the leveling also. So we can just copy some. So this one is what? Small a. We represent the labeling of apparent length by smaller letter small a, small b. Okay. Similarly, this one is small a dash, that is for the front view. This one is basically another one, small b dash, that is for the front view. Okay. Now from this you have to identify the true length. Earlier the true length is given to you, you have projected in the other view and you have rotated and you got the apparent length. So what you have to do, just do the reverse. First rotate here and then project up to point B. So you will get the true length. So we are going to make a arc from the point A, arc, sorry, arc, arc, center method, which is the center is A dash first we are taking and the radius is up to B dash. So we have to do the control button if you want to draw the clockwise arc, and if you want anti-clockwise, so don't require to press anything. Okay, moves to this side anyway. Again we do the arc, center, point A is center, INT. Okay, now we have to project up to this side. Okay, so what is this point? You need to just connect this point, you will get the true length. So I can just off the ortho mode and use the INT command. So this is the true length you got. Okay, fine. Now similar procedure we need to do in the below side. So again what to do? This is the apparent length. How do you got the apparent length? Basically when you project it up to this and you rotate it. Now we are going to the reverse procedure, rotate and then project. So we are going to rotate this line up to this and then we are going to project and you will get the true length. So arc, center, INT, this point, you are going to project up to this This is the same length you have transfer here. Now you are going to project up to this. Now you are going to connect this. So here also you got the true length. What else procedure we can adopt here? If you know the true length, the same true length you can make here also. The true length, whatever the length is there, similar length of arc you can cut here. So you also get the true length inclination. Okay, so there are two procedures there. Either you can through projection to project yourself, or you can make the true length arc cut in this side. You get that. Okay, so that's the procedure. Now we are going to do the labeling. So this one is B dash, and this one is, sorry, this is capital B dash, and this one is small b, sorry, capital B and capital B dash. Okay. So this is the two case we have discussed. First case where the true length is given to you with the true inclination. So how do you find the apparent length with the inclination? In second case, apparent length is given to you, and with that you have to identify the true length. So in the question, whatever is given to you, either directly you will get this kind where the true length both given and you have to identify the apparent length, or vice versa, or might be in one position the true length is given to you, in one position apparent length information to you given to you, other information you need to identify. Okay, so please practice this one. Then we move to the exercise problem which is there in your assignment, I think 8 and 11 and 13 that we are going to discuss. Okay.